Okay, we seafoamed the motor. She was smoking pretty heavily out of the exhaust leak. It's been sitting for, long enough time to smoke some weed. We lost our key. Cha-ching! Oh shit! Motherfucker. Stupid ass keys. Yeah, this is my life. Welcome to Clutchwood world. Hopefully this bitch will start. Oh shit! Look at the cheech. Oh my god, dude. We're killing mosquitoes. Damn. We're gonna go give her some gas. They say run the shit out of it after you do this and then change your oil. Which, we never changed no oil in her. I would die. All that smoke. It's like coming up the door and everything. We'll give her a break. She was ran hard and put away wet before I got her. Should probably could have hot soaked some more. Neighbors are gonna be pissed. Woo, 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 woo. Look at that cheech. Look at that fender cutout. They didn't want no rust on it. Rich neighborhood it came from. I ain't gonna have no friends.